Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Mm2 and going straight to Settings. This is where Trade Controls live. Tap the menu icon in the top right and then the gear labeled Settings. Make sure you are on the correct account because these changes apply per account. Once done, look for the Trade or Trading section inside Settings. You need to access that panel now so you can change the toggle in the next step. Don't navigate away until you see Trade Controls visible on screen. You now locate the trading toggle within Settings and flip it off. This stops incoming and outgoing trades. Tap the slider so it moves to off or choose Deny for trade requests, depending on the interface. After switching, the game may ask you to confirm. Tap Confirm or Apply. Once confirmed, the trade functions should immediately stop accepting requests. If the game shows a saved indicator, that means the change took effect, and you can proceed to close Settings and test with a friend. You finish by verifying the change. Ask a friend to send a trade request to confirm trades are blocked. If a request still comes through, restart the app and log back in because settings sometimes need a reload. Make sure the game is updated to the latest version. If problems persist, reinstall the app to clear corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall before contacting support, since that often resolves lingering trade state issues without waiting for a developer response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.